Hello and welcome to Administration Wise. In this video, we will solve the UGC net paper that was held on 18th June 2024, and this is part 2 of the video. In part 1, we have already solved the paper 1, and in this video, we will try to find out the answers for the paper 2, that is for public administration paper. So, the very first question, that is 51, is the constitution of the standing committees on a subject represents a synthesis of the British and American legislative system, provides the solution to the problem of guillotine, inspires the executive to become a quite accurate, balanced, and progressive in formulating the policies, and revolutionize the way parliamentary control is exercised on the executive. And the answer correct here is all the fourth statements are right, hence option 4 is the correct answer. Question number 52 is to arrange the Government of India's scheme in the chronological order according to their year of launch. The National Urban Mission is launched in the year 2016. Amrut Mission is launched in the year 2015. NRLM launched in the year 2011, and Pura Mission is launched in the year 2003. Hence, the correct order is D, C, B, and then A. Hence, option number 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following is correct regarding to development of administration? It is client-oriented. Yes. Promotion of socialization. No. The analysis of the socio-psychological framework in the society and focuses on the organization. Again, no. Hence, the option 1 will be the correct answer. It is client-oriented. Question number 54. Arrange the following authorities in the chronological order according to their year of establishment. Green Tribunal, established in the year 2016. The Coal Regulatory Authority of India is established in year 2013. The IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, is in 1999. And Telecom Regulatory Authority, TRAI, established in the year 1997. Hence, D, C, A, and then B. Option number 4 will be the correct answer. 55 is to match the following is random sampling method is the each element in the population is given equal chance of selection. Stratified random sampling is the heterogeneity in the population can be reduced. The cluster sampling is can be made on geographical proximity of the common character, and the snowball sampling is the choice of the entire sample rests upon the choice of the individual at the first stage. Hence, option number 2 will be the correct answer. And the following urban development programs in the chronological order according to their year of launch. JNNURAM launched in the year 2005. Jal Jeevan Mission 2019, Swachh Bharat 2014-15, and the Hriday Mission is 2015. Hence, the correct answer will be 2, A, B, C, D. Question number 57 are in the chronological order. Northcote Travelling Report 1857, Lee Commission 1923, Hutchinson Commission 1886, the Montague-Chelmsford Reform and Report 1919, and the Islington Commission is 1912. Hence, option number 2 will be the correct answer. And the following steps of data processing in the sequential order: quantitative and qualitative raw data, editing, coding, and analysis. The correct order will be A, C, B, D. Quantitative and qualitative raw data, then coding, then editing, then analysis. Option number 4 will be the correct answer. Question number 59. The correlation analysis deals with association and variables. The exact length of the span of control depends upon the personality of the supervisor, the diversification of the function of the organization, the age of the organization, and the caliber of the subordinate. All 4 are the correct answer, and option number 4 will be the correct answer. Question number 61. Identify the sequence of public policy formulation according to E. Anderson. Making policy decision, the putting public problems on the policy agenda, the formulation of policy proposals to deal with the problems, and identifying the public problems. First one is identification, then putting the problems on the policy agenda, then D, B, then C, formulation of the proposals to deal with the problem, and then last one will be the making policy decisions. Hence option number 3 will be the correct answer. According to Arthashastra, how many sets of the principles have been proposed to regulate the machinery of the government? There are two principles. Which of the following is not the characteristic of administrative man? He bridges the psychological man to the rational man. Correct. He has all the unique idiosyncrasies. Correct. He has limited reasoning power of the psychological man. Correct. He expresses the emotional sensitivity to the other fellow in the organization. Not correct. Hence option number 2 will be the correct answer. The national policy of the senior citizen was made in the year 2007. Match करना है. Democratic governance is outcome of Minobrook Conference 1. A for 3 एक ही है. ऑप्शन नंबर 3 करेक्ट होगा. बी का 1, सी का 2, डी का 4. Digital era government in NPM, collaborative government Minobrook 3, and cooperative governance is Cadbury report. Now, distributive ledger technology is also known as the blockchain technology. Option number 2 will be the correct answer. Integrating the various thinker principles and processes are we derived 29 number of the principles for the better understanding of organization. Arrange in the correct sequence, revised estimate of the current year, then actual figures of the previous 3 years, the sanction of the budget estimates for the current year, the proposed estimate for the नेक्स्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर. फर्स्ट इसका होगा कि प्रीवियस 3 ईयर का ले लीजिए, उसके बाद द सैंक्शन बजट एस्टिमेट्स मीन्स सी, देन ए, and then D. Option number 2 will be the correct answer. Which of the following factors affect the reliability of the research instrument? The wording of the question, the physical setting, and the respondent's mood. Social norms नहीं होगा यहाँ. Means option number 3 will be the correct answer. The constitution of audit board was recommended for enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of the office of CAG is done by first administrative reform commission. First ARC के through हुआ था. Manipulation of the variables is the common feature of the research in experimental research. Which of the following aspect is related to overlapping feature of this as suggested by FW Riggs? It is nepotism, formalism, polynormatism, and polycommunalism. 4 will be the correct answer. एक मिनट, फॉर्मलिज्म नहीं होगा. मीन्स 2 will be the correct answer. मैच करना है. डायनेमिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन is the book written by Mary Parker Foley. 3. The Dynamics of the Public Administration is written by Gerald E. Caden. 4. The Theory of the Social and Economic Organization is written by Max Weber, and the New Science of Management Decision is written by Herbert Simon. Hence, option number 4 will be the correct answer. Which of the following is not the advantage of e-governance? The correct answer will be the cost reduction, according to me, while some are of the view that it will not enhance in the public sector employment. The basic tenets of the new public management was the extension of the public choice concept, inspired by the new right philosophy, citizens as active customers, and a strong support of the bureaucratic administration. This one is wrong, hence the option 2 will be the correct answer. According to Max Weber, official business is on the continuous basis. When the inference is drawn on the whole population based on the observation made on a small sample is called inductive inference. Which of the following are redistributive policies? The answer will be indirect subsidies, subsidized provision for the health functions, and the transfer of resources to the private sector for better service delivery. Direct monetary transfer for the social protection program, ये नहीं होगा. Option number 1 will be the correct answer. Again, arrange in the chronological order according to their year of evolution, motivation, and personality. 1954. Prismatic Society Revisited 1973, Papers on the Science of Administration 1937, and The Introduction of a Study of the Public Administration 1927. Hence 1, 2, then 3 and 4. DCAB. DCAB. Option number 2 will be the correct answer. Proposals for the establishment of statutory National Commission on the Panchayati Raj was recommended by GVK Rao. No. Option the correct will be Manishankar Iyer Committee in 2012. Information Technology Act 2000 provides the legal recognition to the transaction through electronic data interchange and economic communication, and is based on the model law of electronic commerce and adopted by UN on the international trade law, promotes efficient delivery of the government services, ये भी सही है, and gives the effect to the national policy of the software products. नहीं. Hence, option number 2 will be the correct answer. And in the following stages of the policy process, in the sequential order as advised by Thomas Dye, agenda setting will be the first, and then policy legitimation, then policy implementation, first, second, third, and fourth will be the policy evaluation. Option number 2 will be the correct answer. Match करना है इस क्वेश्चन में. Formulating a research problem is 2. Selecting a sample is sampling theory and design 1. Processing data is 3. The method of the data processing and the constructing an instrument of data collection will be the fourth one. The validity and reliability of the research control. The book Behavioral Approach to the Public Administration was authored by Robert Golemsky. Now it will be authored by Robert Preston in the year 1965. Year याद रखेंगे हम लोग 1965 में हुआ था. In which of the following article the Indian Constitution the word cabinet was first mentioned? It is 352. Earlier there was nowhere in the Constitution the Union Cabinet word is mentioned, but in the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act after the emergency in 1975, it was introduced in the Article 352. Level jumping in a hierarchical organization can be called as gangplank. In prismatic society, the simultaneous presence side by side and quite different kind of systems practices viewpoint is called heterogeneity. Now, we all know Jharkhand is created in the year 2000, the Telangana in 2014, the Meghalaya in 1972, I think, and the Nagaland in 1963. Hence, the option number 3 will be the correct answer. Minobrook 3 was chaired by Rosemary O'Leary. Only one is correctly made here. Hence, 2 will be the correct answer. B ka 4. Development Administration F.W. Riggs. Public choice theory is Vincent Ostrom, and the critical theory is Herbert Marcuse. Question number 90. Fluid model is functions that are carried out by single structure. Diffracted model is certain level of specialization. Prismatic model is diffracted model is principle with no differentiation in treatment, and prismatic model is the function that are carried out by single structure, and the development model is the process of increasing autonomy. Hence, option number 1 will be the correct answer. Arrange the following directive principle of the state policy in the sequential order according to their article in the Indian Constitution. Provision of early childhood care is article number 42. Provision of just and human condition at work is article number 42. And the equal justice for and free legal aid is article number 39. And the duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition is article number 47. Hence, the correct order will be 2. C, B, then A, and then D. CBAD. A digital footprint is related to sending email. Option number 4 will be the correct answer. Who among the following used the ecological approach long before F.W. Riggs? It is Robert Dahl. Which of the following is not related to the collaborative governance? It is creative competition among the stakeholders. Which of the following constitute the public accounts of India? It will be Provident Fund, receipt from loans, and the reserve funds of the developmental undertaking. Deposit under the national saving scheme नहीं होगा. Hence, option number 4 will be the correct answer. Tillman is adoption of the wrong analytical tool. Third, Daya Krishna, diffracted model is impractical. Beanley is prismatic and Shala model का utility के बारे में बात कर रहा है कि ये doubtful है. That is 4, and the Richard H. Chapman will be the second. Hence, 3142. 3142. Option number 3 will be the correct answer. According to Riggs, every society has important type of the functions. Identify the following correct sequence. It will be economic, then social, then political, and then symbolic. ऑप्शन नंबर 3 will be the correct answer. कुछ लोग A B C D भी बोल रहे हैं 2 के बारे में, but according to me it will be 3. At understanding disaster risk and building preparedness capacities is essential for assessing the vulnerabilities. Arrange the following experiments advocated by Alton Mayo on his Hawthorne study in the correct sequence. Bank wiring 1932, illumination 1924 to 27, relay assembly 1927, and then interview of the worker 1928 to 31. Hence option number 2 will be the correct answer. The first discovery of the informal organization can be attributed to the Mayo's bank wiring is 1931. The Foley Dynamic Administration 1941. ये 31 है. एंड साइमन बॉन्डेड रेशनलिटी 1957 में आया था. टेलर साइंस ऑफ वर्क 1909 में आ रहा है. हेंस द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज द टेलर्स वर्क 4. The correct answer for this match will be 101 is 3. Delphi technique is soliciting the views of the experts. तो फास्ट करते हैं. The correct match for this question will be third. A3 France, the commune. Japan will be the prefectures. USA the counties, and England the Paris Council. And the following according to their enhancement will be the line item budgeting, and then program and performance budgeting, then planning program budgeting, after that budgeting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fifth one will be the zero based budgeting. Option number 1 will be the correct answer. And the following administrative units of the local government of Britain in the sequential order from top to bottom will be the civil parish council, then the borough council, after that the county, and the metropolitan. CABD. Option number 2. Citizen charter report is a technique to judge the people's opinion regarding to the popular and particular services. Mass model is of Mill 4. The group model is Bentley 3. The institution model is for Frederick, and the system model is Easton. Option number 1 will be the correct answer. As the heart of the administrative management, budget services are all the 4 will be the correct answer. As the powerful tool of the coordination, as the device of influencing the country's economy, as an effective device of elimination of the duplication, and controller of the administrative discipline in the financial matters. All 4 are the correct answer. Option number 4 will be the correct answer. Who among the following has coined the term disjointed incrementalism? It is the Charles A. Lindblom. And in 1964, the Santhanam Committee was appointed by the government to look into the administrative corruption and arrange the following concept in the chronological order according to their emergence. NPA is 1968, the NPS is 2000, the NPM is 1991. Hence option number 4 will be the correct answer. ADCB. Arrange the following work of the Taylor in the chronological order. The art of cutting metal in 1901, the shop management 1900, the principle of the scientific management 1911, and the piece rate system in 1895. Means DBAC. Option number 4 will be the correct answer. Public administration in India reports of survey was authored by Paul Appleby in the year 1953. Wilson strongly believed that the administration is a science. The Department of Public Enterprise has the pivotal role in formulating policies concerned to the public service sector enterprise. Correct. The enhances the competition and evaluates the social impact of the public sector enterprises. Correct. It elevates as the Department of the Public Enterprise in 1990 in the place of Bureau of the Public Enterprises. Correct. It is a part of Ministry of Finance. All 4 are the correct answer. Hence option number 4 will be the correct answer. Now, which of the following functions are assigned to urban local bodies under 12th schedule of the Indian Constitution? These are roads and bridges, domestic and industrial water supply, provision of the park and garden, imposition of profession tax. This is not correct. Hence, option number A, B, D will be the correct answer. Who among the following characterized the development of administration based on the purpose of the loyalties and attitude? It is V.A. Pai Padnikar. No. Dwight Waldo, no. Edward Winder. No, it is George F. Grant. The maximum strength of the state legislative council should not be more than 1/3. Which of the following is not the characteristic of the public policy making? It is very complex process. Correct. It is directed at the future. Correct. It lays down the major guidelines. Correct. It is static process. Wrong. Hence, option number 2 will be the correct answer. Which of the following statements are correct regarding DRDA? They are involved in policy making. No. They are supporting and facilitating the developmental organization. Correct. They ensure the effective implementation of the anti-poverty programs. Correct. They play a role of the catalyst in the development process. Correct. Hence, option number 3 will be the correct answer. And match the following fiscal deficit. A का 3 access to the total government expenditure. Budget deficit. B का 2 government deficit financed by the short-term borrowing. Monetary deficit is sum of the net issuance of the short-term treasury bill, and the current account deficit is 1. Hence, option number 2 will be the correct answer. The process of cross-cultural administrative studies was to discuss the pattern and regularities of the administration, to understand the speciality of contextual factors in the administration, to enhance the theory, construction, and reform of the administration, and to formulate the universal theory of bureaucracy. No. Hence, option number 4 will be the correct answer. William N. Niskanen, public choice approach. David Easton is system approach. Harold Laswell is public policy approach. And Anthony Downs is political economy approach. Hence, option number 3 will be the correct answer. Chester Bernard is linked with informal organization. Herbert Simon is administrative man. Mary Parker Foley is constructive conflicts, and Douglas MacGregor is theory Y. Hence, option number 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following is not the assumption of the social care work? The answer will be the human behavior and the attitude are independent factor. This is not correct. Hence, option 3 will be the correct answer. Consider the following parliamentary committee on the public undertaking and identify the correct statement. It was first set up in 1963. Wrong. It was set up in 1964. एक इसमें किसमें नहीं है, ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. ये क्वेश्चन ही थोड़ा सा कंट्रोवर्शियल हो गया यहाँ पे, इसको रहने देते हैं. Next is 128. Which of the following extension of the garbage can? It is organized anarchy model. The origin of territorial administration can be traced to Mauryan administration. The Digital Personal Data Act was recently passed in 2023. Which among the following are the major component of disaster preparedness? All 4 are the correct here. Disaster preparedness knowledge, risk analysis, prior experience of the disasters, and education routes. Which of the following is correct disinvestment in the public sector? The option will be liquidation of the asset. And the following steps of research process in the sequential order. It is the conceptualizing the research design. After that, constructing the instrument for data collection. Then selecting the sample and writing the research report. Option number 2 will be the correct answer. Arrange the sequence. Again, achievement, and then recognition, and then work, then responsibility, then advancement. Option number 2 will be the correct answer. Comparative Public Administration, Prologue, Problem and Promise was authored by Brett Waldo in the year 1964. According to following chairperson the फाइनेंस कमीशन, इनको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में करना है तो के शांतनम 1956 के टाइम पे थे, ब्रह्मानंद रेड्डी 1972, A.M. Khusro 1998, and N.K. Singh is most recent one in 2017. Hence, DBCA will be the correct answer. Arrange the following concepts of the chronological order according to their emergence. Constructive conflict 1925, the function of the executive 1938, the peace rate system 1895, and the peak experience in 1965. Hence, option number C will be the correct answer. CABD. The analytical decision making, it is everyone in the theory agrees about their organizational goals. Judgment decision making is the members in the organization. 1. Comparison, the decision maker disagree about the goals. 4. And the authoritarian making will be second one. Hence, option number 3 will be the correct answer. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution mentions the discretionary power of the governor of the state? Answer will be the 163. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution deal with the election of the Panchayati Raj 243K without any delay? Question number 141. डायरेक्टली आंसर इसका बतला देते हैं. 141 का आंसर होगा फर्स्ट का 4, 142 का 1, 143 का 2, 144 is 2 and 145 4, 146 is 1, 147 is 1, 148 will be 3 and 149 is 2 and 150 will be 1. And by this we come to an end of this video. Please suggest your point of view. If you find any discrepancy, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, keep signing.